What? One of these? No, one of these? Oh, I gotta drive this.
I don't like that.
We would like you to.
have.
Well, let's see how it goes.
Woohoo!
I'm a seat. How are you folks?
Good.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Want to smile for our photographer? All right.
Here's photo number 1, and here's photo number 2. All right, there.
Thank
go.
you.
So welcome aboard, folks.
Thank you.
My name is Ray, and you are riding in a 1914 Model T.
1914, my God.
Woohoo!
This car is called the touring car. So this was basically the family vehicle. Front and back seat, convertible top, up or down. Surprisingly, when these cars first came out, most people didn't want the top up. Even in bad weather. They were used to horse and wagon with the top down, and they weren't quite sure what this top thing was top up was going to do to them. They left them down. Same thing with enclosed cars with windows. They were available. They were very expensive, but they were available. Very, very unpopular. People didn't want to be closed in. Where are you folks from?
Chicago.
Chicago, wonderful. Well, been here before?
Yes, we're members.
How are you? Wonderful.
Remember.
We love it.
For that. Appreciate it. Continued employment for me. I like it.
Yeah. This is a great place.
It's a wonderful place, isn't it?
I know we are really relaxed.
Pardon?
You come here and
We
relax.
relax.
Yeah.
We feel great.
Get out of the city, relax.
Yes, absolutely. Well, it's a beautiful day.
I know.
Great weather.
Just a tad warm, but
Yeah, a little breeze up here isn't too bad.
yeah. In the car, it's awesome.
Yeah, there's a little breeze. About
we
a
took
12
the
mile an
horse.
hour wind.
We took the whole sea was like hard.
We took the horse-drawn thing.
The horse and carriage?
It was stuffy because it was closed here.
Oh, the closed in, yeah, the closed in cab. Yeah, it's like this bus. This bus is warm. Well, this is one of 15 million Model Ts made by Ford. These cars were originally designed in 1908 and were made for 19 years, 1927. Had a very long run. Some people say a little too long. They started getting a little obsolete in their last few years. The competitors were coming out with more stylish cars, more powerful cars, cars with more features.
Every time I ride in this car, I think of, have you ever seen that movie Chitty Chitty Bang Bang?
Oh, absolutely. This is the Chitty Chitty Bang Bang car.
That's right.
Oh, absolutely. Or Mary Poppins.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the Chitty Chitty Bang Bang for sure.
And how long have you been driving?
I've been here. And I'm considered one of the new guys. We've had the cars here for 15 years, actually 16 years. They came as part of a celebration for the Ford Motor Company's 100th anniversary in 2003. So before that, Greenfield Village did not have a lot of improvements. The roads were not paved, they were gravel. There were no sidewalks. There were no storm sewers. And many of the buildings did not have Don't need to have heat. And storm sewers, so well, with the rain, gravel roads would flood for a while and eventually go away. But with the thought of having cars here, we needed paved roads. Because it would just get too dusty, too miserable. So they closed Greenfield Village for the year 2002. Tore up everything, put in storm sewers, electricity, sidewalks, curbs, roads. They moved several of the buildings because they were kind of in the way of the improvement. So there was an enormous capital project program. And I believe that building was built at that same time.
Oh, okay.
Well, we're very fortunate to have this place and all these wonderful buildings.
Piece of history.
Absolutely.
It's your campers.
We have a day camp here. Started last week and it runs, I think, through mid-August. 5 or 6 weeks. We have grades going into grade 2 to going into grade 8.
Wow.
And that fills up in a matter of days. Very popular.
Yeah, this is a comfortable car.
They are very comfortable, aren't they? Very comfortable. Now there's a couple of ducks that I haven't seen here. They must have flew in from someplace. Miami, maybe?
There you go. And the squirrel's checking them out. Too.
Yeah, he is. He's going like,
What is this?
you don't get near
You
my...
don't belong here.
Don't you touch my nuts. I mean, he said, don't you touch my acorns.
He's like, I don't know where you're from, but
Yeah, you're not from around here, are you? This is my turf.
woohoo. Thank you.